Hi mga season, mga orbs! Si Malaya na Sydney. Yan po nakita niyo mga season orbs, no? Hey guys, it's me, Dorang Dave.
It's me, David Wild, and this is Dare David! Last week, Dave got me really good. He got super personal with chickens. Yes! Yes! This week's Dare is...
Hi mga kitty cats! Today we're doing drag!
What?
Drag! Drag! Drag queen!
Oh, okay.
There's no Dodom Dave today. We're Daday Diva.
Daday Diva.
Yes, that's the drag name. Yeah!
So you're not gonna touch me?
Do you want me to?
No.
Pero pili na word lahat no, si Dodong Day very light.
You know what? You can do whatever you want with drag. Drag is an art form,
See,
and
please
your body is the canvas. Phase 1, guys, we're gonna do makeup with our makeup artist Charles today. Charles, say hi. Hi.
You better work. You better work. Have a girl. Work it, girl. Give us the world. Do your thing.
Karon, gilower na mo ang backdrop diri kay this is the part where Dave's gonna tuck his dick! Using these visual aids.
Uy, wala lang na kaya tay.
Oh, wait. Ernie. There you go.
Atay.
So first, kay imong tables imong i-up. Then after anak nga secure na siya kay imong skin kay imong i-pull.
Mabira din ng skin sa itlog. Sure. Uy.
Second, tape for your notch.
So,
Form sa notch,
morning legs niya,
stretch back.
and then you tape it above
Yeah.
your butt.
Lord, nga na nisort mo ko. Lipay na ka di.
Next step, tights and stockings. Ready, Dave?
Do I have a choice?
Not really.
Good luck.
Next step, girdle.
Let me sit this ass on you.
Next,
Sorry,
another
women.
pair of tights.
Ha? Pila di ka bu?
Until you look like a woman.
Saludo na ko ni Mualim.
Next step, your boobs, Dave.
Anong dagang kay bra? Saan man eh?
Just put it here.
No, I'll take it off myself, dude.
So, ano your Charles? Next step, one more corset to give him that beautiful shape.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
Time for the swimsuit.
Swimsuit niya eh.
Time for hair, guys.
Hair and finishing touches.
Can I see myself now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait.
No more.
3, 2, 1, open.
What are you waiting for?
Kaya ta.
Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
Mura bito po akong sister.
No mang good!
Dave's gonna walk in heels for the first time ever. Try. Step. In a straight line.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break.
Ay, mukha rin ako mag. Depression.
Yeah.
Asus! Hi, Malaya! Hi mga season, mga orbs! Si Malaya na Sydney. Nagsamog-samog sa yung mga screen. Yan po nakita niyo mga season orbs, no?
May, wakoy labot ani.
Ay, may, sorry, kasubo, may.
wakoy labot
May.
na. So, we're in the last phase of our Dare, Dave. You're gonna guest star in an episode of Late Shukadi!
Oh my gosh! Day Diva!
Oh my God! Kitty Cat Cat Queen Alum Garcia!
Photo man!
Oh, sure.
What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Like you do.
Cut. Okay, that's a wrap. So Dave, how was your day as a woman?
It feels tight. And then iko ginawa hapit. Sakit ako ilok, samok akong buhok, katulong buko-buko. I'm gonna you next week, B. Medyo lalim. Saludo ko sa mga babae kay Bukod. Grabe, ruot na jokista na akong feeling niyo ginawa.
To everyone watching, Halloween is coming up real soon. Share this video, tag your friends in the comments, and dare them to try drag for the first time. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, like all the social medias at DavidWildX.
Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Dave Kirante and follow my Facebook page on my YouTube channel. That's Dodong Dave.
Okay, that's enough. Bye, guys. Done. We're done. We're done.
Pwede na ako magkubo?
Yeah.
Yes! Woo! Kaya